10 foods that will prevent a heart attack. Heart disease is the #1 deadliest disease in the entire world. Unfortunately, some people are born predisposed to heart disease due to family history. However, you can do something to prevent heart disease, and I will share those preventive measures in this video. Yes, some people are predisposed to cardiovascular conditions, but whether you come from a family with a long history of heart disease or not, certain lifestyle factors can cause you to have an unhealthy heart. While most understand what foods to avoid, few know that healthy nutrition can prevent a heart attack. As you exclude natural fats and refined sugars from your diet, you should also try to eat more of the following foods. 1. Avocados. Avocados have long been known to have a heart-healthy nutritional profile, but a 2019 study led by researchers from Penn State proved that daily consumption of a single avocado was enough to keep harmful cholesterol levels at bay. Additionally, avocado's flesh contains lots of potassium, which is essential to reducing the risk of a heart attack and stroke. 2. Cacao. According to an article published by Harvard Health Publishing in 2010, cacao contains enough flavonoids to boost cardiovascular health and minimize the risk of a heart attack. Additionally, it increases good cholesterol levels and reduces inflammation in the body. To enjoy these benefits, avoid sugar-laden treats and opt instead for cacao nibs or dark chocolate. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are most used as a supplement to prevent a wide range of cardiovascular diseases. A single serving of around 1 ounce is enough to give you approximately 5 grams of beneficial omega-3s. Plus, according to an article published by the Nutrient Journal in 2019, it offers an excellent ratio between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and has a remarkable amino acid composition. 4. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent animal source of omega-3 fatty acids. According to a study review published by the American Heart Association's Medical Journal Circulation in 2015, people who consume fatty fish like salmon are over 30% less likely to die from a heart attack than those who do not eat fish at all. Furthermore, fish eaters are 50% less likely to die of coronary heart disease. 5. Garlic. Apart from being a staple in traditional medicine, several clinical trials have shown that garlic consumption has remarkable effects in preventing various cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, it has been recognized for its ability to treat and prevent metabolic diseases. According to a study review published by the Nutrition Journal in 2002, its effects are widely recognized for specific conditions such as atherosclerosis, hypertension, thrombosis, hyperlipidemia, and diabetes. 6. Lentils. A study review published by Advances in Nutrition in 2019 pointed out that legumes like lentils play an incredible role in protecting against cardiovascular diseases, particularly stroke, myocardial infarction, and coronary heart disease. Plus, lentils' fiber content and nutritional profile can reduce your risk for other health conditions that could make you more prone to a heart attack. That includes obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. 7. Oatmeal. Among the best things to do to avoid a heart attack is to get your cholesterol levels under control. According to the Mayo Clinic, oatmeal is one of the best foods to consume for that purpose. Oatmeal contains lots of fiber, which lowers bad cholesterol in the body. Other excellent options are oat bran and other whole cereal grains. 8. Spinach. All leafy greens offer excellent cardiovascular benefits. But according to a study led by researchers from Sweden's Linköping University, heart disease is usually linked with a low level of lutein in the body. Spinach is exceptionally high in lutein, which does not just improve cardiovascular health markers, but also has an incredible anti-inflammatory effect. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are incredibly nutritious in every way. but according to a study published by the Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2003, it is especially useful for improving heart health. Tomatoes are generally rich in lycopene and other vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients like beta-carotene, flavonoids, potassium, and folate. All these offer protective effects to the heart. 10. Walnuts. The good fat content of walnuts is the reason why it is often mentioned as one of the world's healthiest foods, but according to a Penn State study published in 2020, this nut has incredible effects on the gut microbiome. Over time, that leads to significant improvements in several cardiovascular health markers. These 10 foods are proven effective to enhance your cardiovascular health in many ways. Consider adding them to your diet to reduce your risk of suffering from a heart attack. What is more, these food items offer plenty of other nutrients that should benefit your overall health. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.